say two of our strikers get injury.
Sir, is not the English footballer. No be we tell you to make you go send João Felix goal on. See, I not the score for AC Milan.
Okay now, they're gonna ask no questions.
Oga coach, as Brighton don brighten una view for the future concerning FA Cup with small touchlight. Report wey dey reach me dey talk say when una reach that their stadium again tomorrow, the halogen light dem go use to review una future for EPL. Wetin be una plan to hide una yansh for that kind bright light?
You know well, we go off every bright light fashioned against us on Friday.
Na with that one wey carry name like firewood you want take score goal? I mean, na with this fairly you Sancho.
See, mind your mouth,
Bro, sit down, no be you dey ask question. And your coach.
Make you dey very careful, oh, because me I no go wait for security to come carry you. I go come there, come deck you first, before security go come.
Sancho, you sit down, you don't do.
No, leave am. Come make I beat you to me and come up for your belly.
Security!
If na ordinary fairly you Sancho sef, if for better, this one na man you use.
Security! Come carry this idiot come up for this hall. Okay, sir. Next question.
My question na for you, Palmer. These days, e be like say na you the coach come dey catch now. Wetin happen to our youngest best player na?
Why you dey ask that kind question? You know see wetin I been dey do?
Abeg, no vex. Wetin you do? Maybe the grass for the pitch been cover me.
You know see that goal wey I score?
You score goal?
Yes na. Sure say na one goal wey dem write. But na so I take plan am. I been fake am as cross. Then the keeper come comot. I come play am for him other side. As he come move back post to cover am. Na him the ball come hit and enter post. People think say na the keeper mistake. But dem no know say na me plan am like that.
Oshe, only you na god of football. If na you plan that goal ba, that means na you dey plan everything wey dey happen for football na. Even the ones wey you no follow play.
No, you no reach like that.
No na, that means na you plan make Chelsea lose the match join na.
I don tell you say I no plan am reach like that. Wetin dey worry you sef?
No, I no gree. Na you must to plan am. How you go take plan that goal wey you no go fit plan all the match wey dey tomorrow?
Oya, you don't do. Palmer, I don't tell you say make you no dey talk this kind thing for front of press. Oya, next question.
Oga Barasta, as you don use your mouth talk say Chelsea no be title contender, shey na like this una go take comot from conference league join?
No, that's all no be title. Now we go carry am.
Abeg o, make una carry am o, because I use my life savings take bet say Chelsea go win am. And if una no win am,
No, abeg o, collect your money back o. I no send anybody work o.
shey no be you talk just now say una go carry am based on say no be title be that? Were?
Now your father be weary, idiot.
Oga Slot and Oga Sari, una welcome to the show.
Thank you, Kubala.
Anne Slot. La 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 la. Anne Slot. La la la.
Wow! Why they sing my name for inside studio like this now?
Na hell like the hell you na. Abi you no like am?
It is somehow now. For inside live studio like this. Abi Kubala, una dey allow this kind thing?
We dey allow anything no, apart from physical violence.
Abeg, close your mouth there, Jale. No be Ateta dey pass flow and flow with all him ammunition for inside the studio. You da fit do anything? Abeg, slotty slot. Have fun na.
Which one be slotty slot again? No call me that thing though.
I hear say Plymouth break plywood for your molo on Sunday. Come use plier tight all your players' legs. Wetin happen na? With all your success for Champions League and Premier League.
My brother, no be small thing happen to us that Sunday oh.
I come dey rub my eye. Today sure say no be Tottenham game I da watch, as na white jersey una wear.
Na so we see am oh.
Anyway, Kubala, start your show.
Last Saturday, Brighton showed Chelsea the brighter way of playing football for FA Cup. And tomorrow, Chelsea go still meet them again for the same stadium for another bright encounter. But this time na for Premier League. Oga Slot, wetin you been observe for that Saturday game and wetin you dey expect wey fit happen tomorrow?
You see all those times when Maresca dey talk say Chelsea no be title contenders. Now people don dey see wetin him mean.
Na lie, na that guy use him mouth kill that ginger wey dey the boys body. The way wey dem been dey play that time, no be the same way dem dey play now.
Allow me make I talk now. Now you dem ask question.
No, my ear dey allergic to nonsense. Why I go allow you to talk tales by moonlight?
Kubala, you better call this your guest to order oh.
Oga Sari, abeg calm down.
Okay oh.
You fit continue.
So if you watch that their match on Saturday well, you go notice say the players no too get chemistry between themselves like that.
Even physics and biology, dem no get now, and na Maresca cause am.
Oh my God.
In short, I know they answer that question again.
The last Premier League match wey Man U play, dem lose am against Crystal Palace. But as dem dey go jam Tottenham wey dey struggle for North London. Oga Sarri, how you think say that match go turn out?
At this stage, it be like say Tottenham they actively use their hand dig down the Premier League table to discover oil. As things stand now, them don't dig past hellfire because the devil will be Man U currently there above them. But bad as a bad, I da see love for that game because even devil get plied. Man U no go wan allow them to dig deeper. Both of them they list to relegation and the Man U no one carry last.